Another sickness on our top 6. Let's talk about this time the Mpox. Authorities admit challenges in contact tracing. Quezon City LGU says they are having difficulties in reaching out to all those who were in contact with a recent Mpox patient. They are calling on those who were told to isolate and undergo quarantine to strictly follow the order. According to authorities, all identified close contacts of the Mpox patients have not exhibited any symptoms of the disease so far.
Kasi hindi kompleto yung data ng ibang nasa 27 na list. Saka mali yung contact number. Initially na-contact namin siya, tapos ngayon hindi na namin siya ma-contact. Hindi namin alam kung sinusunod nila at this time yung home quarantine. Ayaw lang nila makipag-usap kasi for whatever reason.
Oo. Kasi nga hindi daw sila nakipag-coordinate. Mahirap yung ganyan pag hindi ka nakipag-coordinate. Baka hindi mo makontrol na yung pagkalat ng Mpox.